muganda wange wala kubanga ojje kumideko TV omuntu wa bulijjo programu echencha bampita MC Maswanku ulira Emboozi kaba boda boda tolina mu Kingereza
Ekingereza mwe kiri ekitono
basabula nyumiza kiche kiriwo English. How are you?
I'm okay.
Where you come from?
Chengera.
Chengera. Emboozi baba geza ku Kingereza baba.
Njo kugeza kwa Kingereza. Kale, good morning, my friend.
Morning, how are you?
I'm very okay.
What are you happy now?
My happiness over my happiness.
My happiness.
Your happiness over my happiness. My happiness over my happiness.
My happiness.
Your happiness over my happiness.
Happiness.
Your
happiness.
My happiness. Very okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Unyimizi watu osesame kawa. Inako nchaina sende zange kwa njijako Sina bankura Kingereza. Oina mugwe.
We tried.
You have tried?
Yes.
We have tried what?
Speaking English. Yes.
Bananga ani gwemba mpa sente mpono. What do you say? Ivan?
So you are talking to Job.
What is your name, sir?
I'm saying young Job.
Oina mu Kingereza?
Yes.
Sawa yakuwa Kingereza. Okoma mu kyakumeka.
So I'm in P7.
You are in what?
In P7 class.
What you are in?
Right now in P7 class.
What?
Right now I'm in P7 class.
Kansembere wano. Ebibozi bya bana ba boda. Gwe era bagita mukenda TV omuntu wa bulijjo. Abasajja basoma Olungereza mama nyabo onangambe ogambye ki?
Right now I'm in P7.
I'm in P7 class. Gwe ina mu? Wanji? Wanji? Ogambye ki? Mama nyabo era bagita mukenda TV. Gwe you are in P7 class.
Yes. I'm okay.
Nyagalo nyumye munono musajja Kingereza.
Yes.
Omunyumize ebizibyo ebirungi byofunye mulimo guno gwa boda.
How are you, mister?
What?
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, how have you found the stage?
The stage was good, only that the passengers today are not very, they are few. Okay. And even we find a problem of these soldiers on the way catching us. They put us on pressure.
So, for example, how much have you left for the wife?
Nyagala kameza.
For the
akameza mu Luzungu.
Table.
Omubuzi zotya?
For the
akameza mu Luzungu.
How much have you left for the table?
I left 20,000. Yes.
And for me, I've left only 10,000.
Yes, which means you are cheating them.
No. It's you left the money for.
How much will they buy with your 10,000?
But for me, my family is. We are little members.
Little botegeza.
But I don't know.
But don't know. Kati nobody care about when you leave them with little money, which means they will have to starve.
I just
so when you starve ategeza chao. Ogambia you have to do what?
They will have to starve. Baja kubonya. With 10,000, they will have to buy little things because things are expensive. When they are going to buy 10,000, can't buy.
Ali kumukenda TV. Ababoda bayine. Adi Ivan ali mukuseka. Ababoda bamanya Kingereza.